Happy sunny Sunday from Österåker island in the Österåker municipality north of Stockholm, but still belonging to Stockholm's region. And I am still on the island on this wonderful sunny Sunday, celebrating Midsummer weekend. And today is the last day of the celebration, as it's time to head back home soon. But first, let's enjoy a nice swim in the sea. Actually, this will be my third one for today, as I already did swim this morning. And also I went on a straight up paddle or stand up paddle soup, exploring one of the islands. It's right over there. But I also wanted to make a vlog also for my viewers, so I am exploring a bit more now another spot here in this nice area here in Grundvik, which looks amazing indeed. And here I have found some nice rocks on the coast, and the most amazing sea that you can see in the distance. It looks amazing indeed, perfect for us to swim today. Yesterday I have been swimming for 2 hours actually. The last swim was in the evening after the sunset for half an hour. It was so beautiful and so amazing indeed. And now let's then enjoy another swim here in the sea. It is 24 degrees Celsius currently in the air, and it is around 20 degrees Celsius in the sea as well. So quite warm and quite beautiful indeed. And yes, beautiful nature all around here at Österåker island. Okay, we can then go in for a swim while I'll show you more. Now in this area you can see lots of boats passing by, as it is quite many boats pass by here in the archipelago. So let's then get going. Oh, now there are even motorboats, I mean speedboats, that are coming in to the area. Let's see if we can find a nice way in here, so it's not too slippery, but also convenient to get in. And I'm gonna head also for half an hour, 15 minutes swim again. Here we have also some seaweed. Okay, so ready, set, and go! It's amazing. It's so brilliant. Oh, look at my big spot for today. Out on an island, out on the open sea, with beautiful nature and the Baltic Sea as the main character. It's so amazing. I am loving it. I'm thinking now of buying a house actually on the sea, after spending a weekend here in Österåker, as it is so amazing to just get up out of bed and then jump into the sea and swim directly from your comfort of your own home. It's definitely expensive, but it's probably worth it as well. So, second day of Midsummer, and perfect Midsummer celebration it was, I might say, with lots of food, lots of social gatherings, There was also party and lots of stuff. But let's dive in again to wrap up this vlog. Alright, so now time. I might do one more swim actually later today, but thanks so much for following my beach adventures, and see you soon from another lake in the area of Stockholm soon. And yeah, happy day wherever you are, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.